Non-contact infrared thermometer with an ultralight screen can display temperature readings clearly and easily. The touch buttons allow for easy switching and usage with max, min, average, difference modes and high, low temperature warning functions. Bluetooth thermometer gun BT1600 app. Scan the below QR code to download directly. Account registration. Login at device. Click Start Using to enter the function page. With rechargeable battery, it also features a backlight and flashlight function. Waterproof and dustproof, stylish appearance and durable construction. With a measurement range of 50 to 1600, 58 to 2912, an accuracy of 7.2 or 2 of reading to 3.6 and a response time of less than 0.25 seconds. Has an automatic shutdown function which automatically shuts down after about 10 seconds without operation. Suitable for HVAC electromechanical applications, maintenance, high-end broilers, furnaces, kilns, forging, metal casting, smelting, professional high-temperature testing.